Hello builder friends, I'm going to show you how to make a dog. I'm going to show you how to do it my way. You're going to learn a lot in this video. So I have to focus in on the part and let's make it big because Command 3, Control 3 if you're on a PC, Command 3 is for Mac. I'm making it big because if you make it small and you try to adjust things, you're going to want to adjust something by like 1/3 of a stud, and I've got my move increment set to 1 stud. All right, so this is the dog's body. We're gonna make this dog upside down and get rid of the plastic. I like to do concrete. I'm trying to make this video short. Please subscribe. I got 4 new subscribers. If I get if I get 1,000, I can monetize this thing, make some money. All right, so let's do Command D. Oh my gosh, look at that! Popped it right up. Hit F to zoom out, and we are gonna make the legs. This dog is upside down, so you go as far as you can. Actually, we'll go this far. See, that's the limit. That's 1 stud right there. So it's nice to do little like fine-grained features. So we'll make that, what is that? 3 by 4 by 17. That doesn't work. Let's make it 4. Is it still lined up? Let's take a look at it. I broke like my #1 rule. All right. Oh, it's all messed up now. Delete this thing. Always delete stuff. Never try to fix stuff. Command D this. All right. Now, whoop, and make it, I'm watching over there, 4 studs by 4 studs, and it's kind of tall for a leg. I'm kind of like into corgis. Make it this height. Perfect 1 foot before you duplicate it. And we'll make this one another color. All right. Spend all day messing with colors, but I won't. Okay, so Command D this one, but we're going to turn off collisions because we want things to be able to duplicate in place. Put that over there. Notice everything's lining up because my moving command is 1 stud. I got them both selected. I will do it again. Select one, hold on Command, select the other. If it's on a PC, it's different, and dupe that. Move it over here, and let's put all these in a folder called dog. Go my stuff, new folder, name it dog. And then we'll take 1, hold on, Command 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. They're highlighted over here. Drag, try this again. I think it's these parts. Is that 5? Drag them up into dog. Just to make sure I got them all, I'm going to take dog and try to move it. Yeah, I got it all. All right, so let's get down to business. Should we do a little cute pause? Now, let's get this thing done. All right, Command 4, flip the dog over, like that. Good dog. Now let's you notice I never created a new part. Command D duplicates, but I wanted it to pop up, so Command Z undoes things. Command D duplicate, and then again Command 3 to shape this. Now when you want to resize something, hold down Command on Mac, Control on PC, and it resizes it from both sides. If I just pull on one side, it's going to make a mess. Command Z that, get it back to where it was. Okay, that's looking doggy-ish. Dogs have a snout, I've discovered. So turn off collisions, Command D, dupe it in place, but we will change the size so it's more snouty. I think it's called I don't know, there's a name for it. And yeah, let's throw in some eyeballs. So Command D this one in place. Let's change the shape. Let's turn it into a sphere. Block to ball. And now we have a ball in there, and we will change the color of it to help us find it. Make it this color. And then we're going to move this ball because this is our eyeball. F it. Okay, so we'll get one all lined up, put it in place. It's a little bit big. Command 3. And we will make it even smaller than that. And Command 2, move it around to there. And over here we'll call it eye. Let's make it white, and then we'll do like this color. Make it yucky colors. All right, so we'll do that, and then we'll Command D this little ball here. So duplicate it in place, so we'll move it out. And this one will create a dark color, so we're making the two different parts of the eye. Command 3 this, make it smaller, yet still popping out. Okay, here's where we want to turn off our move increment. So we can align this new part so that it just pokes out like that. See how we got the little pupil of the eye? Then I'm going to turn back on my move increment. So where's this eye? So we got two parts called eye. I'm going to Command G them to group them, Command D them to dupe them, slide them over here, and then let's see. I want to make the eyeballs kind of facing each other. So let's take this one, slide it over like that. Again, got an issue with our move increment. Turn off the move increment, slide this one over like that. It's kind of cool. I'll do that on the other one too. Which one's the little one? Like this. Kind of cross-eyed, or kind of looking over there, looking askance. All right, looks like a good dog. So let's take all the parts, and we are going to anchor them so the dog doesn't fall apart. Boom, we anchored them. There's your, no tail. Command D, dupe the body. Oopsies, Command Z. Turn on collisions. Command D, dupe the body. And then Command 3, and drop it down. Collisions is on, so it'll just go down to the dog. Command 3, skinny it up, lower it down, and then Command 2, go out like that. And let's allow collisions, and we'll just put the tail like recessed. Give it a funny color. Actually, let's Command 4 this thing. Go like that. And Command 2 it, and give it a different color so it's funny looking. And yeah, there's your dog. Please, let's make this dog smile. Please like and please subscribe to this channel, because if I get 1,000 subs, I can monetize it. All right, so we're going to turn collisions off. We're going to Command D this one, pull out the new one. This is your bonus. And then we're going to make this dog smiling. And then we'll turn off move increment because we want to get this real skinny. Go like that. And bring it out a little bit. And then Command 2 it. And Command 3 it so it's not going all the way back. And how cute is that? It's got a little, you can adjust this. Command 3 it so that it's just barely poking out. Command 2 it. And it looks like the dog is smiling, because it is. There must be something over there. All right, so let's do this. Since I've got your attention, let's take this dog. We'll take all the parts. Command G to group. We'll call it Silly Dog. Or 01. It's always good to have a naming structure. And then we'll say convert to package. Just click submit. So now this dog is a package. It's saved in my inventory, and I can, make different copies of it and use it in different places.